everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-embarking on an incredible journey to one of the most remote and fascinating corners of our planet. We're heading deep into the Omo Valley of southern Ethiopia, near the border of Kenya and South Sudan, to meet the Dassanech people. This isn't just a trip. It's a step into a world where ancient traditions are a vibrant part of daily life. A world that exists in stark contrast to our own. So, buckle up, because what you're about to see is truly unforgettable. The Omo Valley is often called a living museum, and for good reason. It's home to a remarkable diversity of indigenous groups, each with its own unique language, customs, and way of life. Our focus today is the Dassanech, a community of about 50,000 people, whose lives are intricately woven with the rhythms of the mighty Omo River and the vast, arid lands that surround it. The name Dassanech literally means people of the delta. Their entire existence revolves around the life-giving waters of the Omo River, which flows into Lake Turkana. For centuries, they have been semi-nomadic pastoralists, moving with their precious cattle in search of grazing land and water. Cattle are more than just livestock here. They are a symbol of wealth, a source of sustenance, and central to social contracts like marriage and alliances. A man's standing in the community is often measured by the size of his herd. As we arrive in a Dassanech village, the first thing you might notice are the distinctive homes. These are not permanent, stone-built structures. Instead, they are small, dome-shaped huts, ingeniously constructed from a frame of sticks and branches, covered with hides, woven mats, and whatever materials are available. These homes are lightweight and portable, perfect design for a semi-nomadic lifestyle. When a family needs to move, they can dismantle their home and carry it with them to the next location. It's a brilliant example of sustainable and practical architecture, born from necessity and perfected over generations. Life here is a communal affair. You'll see children playing freely, their laughter echoing through the village, while elders sit in the shade, sharing stories and wisdom. Women are often busy with the essential tasks of collecting water, grinding grain, and preparing food. The sense of community is powerful. Everyone knows each other, and survival depends on mutual support and cooperation. It's a social fabric that has been strengthened by shared challenges and triumphs over centuries. One of the most visually striking aspects of Dassanech culture is their body adornment. This isn't just about fashion. It's a rich visual language that communicates age, social status, and personal history. Both men and women pierce their ears and lower lips, often inserting decorative plugs. But what's truly unique is their creative use of recycled materials. In a world far from mass-produced jewelry, the Dassanech have become masters of upcycling. You'll see incredible headdresses, necklaces, and bracelets crafted from discarded bottle caps, old watches, broken SIM cards, and other bits of modern life that find their way into this remote region. It's a stunning display of creativity and resourcefulness, turning the waste of one culture into the treasure of another. A woman might wear a wig woven from bottle caps, each one a gleaming testament to her ingenuity. The traditional clothing is simple and adapted to the hot, dry climate. Women typically wear a pleated cowhide skirt, often adorned with beads and shells. Men might wear a simple cloth wrapped around their waist. For special ceremonies, however, they transform. Both men and women will paint their bodies with chalk and ochre in intricate patterns, celebrating their identity and connection to their ancestors and the land. These ceremonies are a vital part of their cultural expression, marking important life events like births, initiations, and marriages. A key rite of passage for Dassanech men is the Demi ceremony. This is a celebration held for a man's firstborn daughter, which elevates his social status within the community. It is a huge event that requires the father to sacrifice a large number of cattle to feed the village, reaffirming social bonds and his own position as a respected elder. For a young man, a significant milestone is the circumcision ceremony, which marks his transition from boyhood to becoming a warrior and an adult member of the tribe. These traditions are the threads that hold the social structure together, passing down values and responsibilities from one generation to the next. However, the world of the Dassanech is not static. It is facing immense pressure from the outside world. The biggest challenge comes from changes to the Omo River itself. The construction of massive hydroelectric dams upstream has drastically altered the river's natural flood cycle. For centuries, the Dassanech have relied on these annual floods to deposit fertile silt on the riverbanks, creating the perfect conditions for planting crops like sorghum, maize, and beans. With the floods diminished, agriculture has become far more difficult, threatening their food security. This has forced many to rely more heavily on their livestock, which in turn puts more pressure on the already scarce grazing lands, sometimes leading to conflict with neighboring groups over resources. The delicate balance they have maintained with their environment for so long is being disrupted at an alarming rate. It's a powerful reminder of how actions taken hundreds of miles away can have profound consequences for people who live in harmony with nature. Despite these challenges, the Dassanech are a people of incredible resilience and spirit. They are adapting as best they can, finding new ways to survive in a changing world while holding fast to the core of their identity. Their deep connection to their family, their community, and their traditions gives them a strength that is truly inspiring. Visiting them isn't about looking at a culture frozen in time. It's about witnessing a living, breathing community navigating the complexities of the 21st century on their own terms. Their story is a powerful lesson for all of us. It reminds us of the incredible diversity of human culture and the importance of preserving these unique ways of life. It also highlights our shared vulnerability in the face of environmental change. The future of the Dassanech is uncertain, but their spirit, creativity, and deep-rooted traditions continue to shine brightly in the heart of the Omo Valley. They are a testament to the enduring power of community and the human ability to find beauty and meaning in even the most challenging of circumstances. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey to meet the Dassanech people. I hope it has given you a small window into their fascinating world. If you found this story as moving as I did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.